Have you ever stopped to watch a dung beetle at work? These tiny insects are among nature's hardest workers. A single dung beetle can roll a ball of dung many times heavier than its own body, burying it underground where it enriches the soil with nutrients. They're also nature's cleanup crew, improving soil health, reducing pests, and helping entire ecosystems thrive. Watching this mighty little dung beetle tirelessly roll away one ball of Zeke and Scotch's poo reminded me of something. Growing a beautiful garden is one thing. Growing your own food is something completely different. Kitchen gardening and homestead teaches you patience in ways nothing else can. You quickly realize that food doesn't simply appear because you planted a seed. They agree. Every harvest is earned through consistency, observation, and adapting to whatever nature throws your way. Changing weather, insects, hungry birds, and plenty of unexpected surprises. This chili patch has been one of those lessons. It all started with a handful of tiny chili seeds. I kept the soil evenly moist and waited until those first little green sprouts emerged from the soil. This part never gets old. Once the seedlings were strong enough, I transplanted them into the garden, giving each plant enough space to spread its roots and grow.
So I have finished planting rows of peppers and some garlic in the bed. Let's see how it comes up in a couple of months.
Healthy soil, regular watering, compost, sunshine, and a little bit of patience did the rest. Well, almost.
So these chilies are growing tall and getting healthy. But there are some other critters that are enjoying eating the leaves.
It's one of those moments every organic gardener eventually faces. Instead of reaching for chemical pesticides, I mixed up a simple neem spray and treated the plants regularly. Neem has been used for centuries in natural farming and sustainable gardening because it helps discourage many common garden pests while being much gentler on the surrounding ecosystem when used correctly. Within a couple of weeks, the plants bounced back beautifully. Fresh leaves started replacing the damaged ones, and the chili patch looked healthier than ever. Flowers, white little blossoms began appearing across every plant. Soon enough, those flowers transformed into tiny green chilies. Day by day, they grew longer, stronger, and more vibrant until suddenly, I wasn't harvesting just one chili anymore. Now this little kitchen garden gives us fresh chilies every other day. From just a few tiny seeds to a thriving harvest, this chili patch has officially become a success. Moments like this remind me why I love homesteading and sustainable living so much. Growing your own food changes your relationship with what ends up on your plate, and appreciate every meal a little more because you've witnessed every stage of its journey from seed to harvest. If you've been thinking about starting a kitchen garden, even if it's just one pot in a balcony, let this be your sign. Plant something, watch it grow, learn from the failures, and celebrate the harvest.
Even though the entire bed has been taken over by the weeds, we still have some fruiting happening.
Because there is something incredibly satisfying about picking food that you grew with your own hands. If you enjoyed following this chili patch journey that took me almost 3 months and want to see more homesteading projects, organic gardening, and sustainable living, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next harvest. I'll see you in the garden.